Hello and welcome to another video. This video is been a long time coming. I've actually tried to record this 16 different times and I've had problems with my mic and other sorts of things. So today is the day it's going to get done. This is going to be a tutorial on how to create HTML formatted content. So I've seen this happen a lot of times where people will go, hey, I've got this text and I need to have it formatted as HTML, and they're like, I don't remember the tag for this and I don't remember how to do it. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy way in order to accomplish this here today. So here's the problem. Even internally, we have this email that needs to get sent out. I'm going to show you the text. So this needs to go out in email. It needs to be formatted in HTML. So I'm just going to copy that and show you what I'm talking about. So we have a Zap inside of Zapier set up with the task that if somebody signs up for a particular product or service, we send them out a welcome email. However, when we send it out, it has to be formatted as HTML, which is kind of a pain in the butt because no one wants to remember all of those tags. So there is a tool out there. If you go to html-online.com/editor/, it will take you to this page. Usually there is some dummy text or demo text that's in here. The way to get rid of that, you just click on that button there and it clears the page. So I'm going to copy and paste in what I had from the Slack channel that they want for this email, and looks okay. Looks like there's a couple of formatting issues. Before I send this stuff off, I usually click clean. A lot of times, especially if you're bringing in text from Word, as an example, will bring in all of this gobbledygook and bad HTML that it's copied over. So I just clean that out. That will also fix some of the formatting here. I'm going to clean some of the stuff while I'm in here, make it look a little more pretty, and that looks pretty good. I'm going to hit clean one last time, copy my formatted HTML, go in here, select all, paste, and I'm done. That's it. So hopefully you received some value from this video today. Super easy way in order to format out text in that editor that I showed you. You have the ability to create links and drop in images and all sorts of other things too. So great tool to have in your toolbox for this, especially for marketers. So hopefully you received a bunch of value from this today. If you did, please hit those 3 buttons down at the bottom of the screen: like, subscribe, and alert. And always remember, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.